Uhoro wa ciiko cia andu gutharikirwo ni nyamu cia githaka mwena wa Kajiado ya muhuro niguo twaririirie gikundi gitari gia githirikari kia Big Life Foundation kwirutira gwaka rugiri rwa kwirigira giikaro kia nyamu cia githaka gia Kimana.
Baba, Mwana, Roho Mtakatifu.
Rugiri ruru ruria ni rwa thitima rugitanywo kuhuthira muigana wa ciringi mirioni 100.
Na wameweza kufaulu kufanya fencing ya eneo zaidi ya kilomita 50 kwa upande moja na nafikiri kilomita 20 kwa upande mwingine ama 40. Hatua hii ni hatua muhimu kuangalia shida ambayo tumekuwa nayo ambayo wanyama wanaua watu.
The type of fence we're using, which is electrified, is powered by, has 12,000 volts in it, so it gives the animals a shock so they don't break through. And it costs in the region of about 1.2 million shillings per kilometre to build.
Kwa ihinda ria mwaka umwe makiria ma andu 20 ni matete mioyo yao kumana na gutharikirwo ni njogu na uguo gwakwo kwa rugiri ruru kuria aikari ni ta kiroto kihingite na mateithikite wakini wa rugiri ruru.
Today we are proud that at least the community will ensure that this is going to prosper for the benefit of the community. Basically, employment is already at place. They have employed community rangers. The women will be empowered through the sale of beads and tourism actually to the sector. But more importantly, to secure wildlife corridors. That's the point.
Uiguano uria wiho ni wona rugiri ruru rwarika aikari ni meguteithiriria hari kurumenyerera. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.